Here we are at Macy's, White Marsh Mall, Baltimore, Maryland. My first vector. It's my first vector. Okay, let's listen to the motor. Listen to those relays. There's your lantern right there. It's going down to 1. As you can see, Montgomery. This is nice. Capacity's 2,500 pounds. Phone box is locked. Get a cab view. Just your standard Macy's cab, although this is something pretty rare. We'll go down to 1 and get a sample of that. Otherwise, this is really nice. Let's listen. Ended up on 2. And that'll be it. Let it close up first. And that'll be it.